Good morning, Dr. Prasad, Dr. Gupta, Dr. Vijay Raghavan, Dr. Ahuja, Dr. McLean, special guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to offer the vote of thanks for this occasion on behalf of the ILSI Research Foundation. Today marks the start of the 5th Annual South Asia Biosafety Conference, the preeminent regional gathering of scientists, regulators, and other stakeholders who are interested in biotechnology applications for sustainable development, environmental risk assessment, and biosafety regulation in South Asia. I would like to begin with thanking the 200 registered participants, the 36 speakers, and 6 session chairs. Thank you for not only attending the 5th Annual South Asia Biosafety Conference, but also actively participating in the dialogue, engaging with your regional counterparts, and contributing to the sessions. As scientists, academics, researchers, and officials from industry, research institutions, universities, government departments, and ministries, we hope that you enjoy this year's program featuring special sessions on soil and plant microbiomes, new applications of biotechnology, designing confined field trials to maximize data transportability, best practices for public sector GE product development programs, the intersection of the Cartagena Protocol and the Indian biosafety regulatory system, synthetic biology, as well as the lightning round for scientists and young students. Thank you to the South Asia Biosafety Program for organizing this annual conference. In particular, I would like to thank Dr. Vijay Ahuja, the SABC country coordinator of India, and the team from the Biotech Consortium India Limited. Professor Imdadul Haq, the SABC country coordinator for Bangladesh, along with my colleagues at the ILSI Research Foundation, Dr. Morven McLean, Dr. Andrew Roberts, and Dr. John Team, for developing the robust program, coordinating the logistical details for this great venue, the dynamic speakers, and the thought-provoking sessions. Their hard work, months of meticulous planning, and execution are the reason why this event will be successful. I would also like to thank the support from our partners and sponsors, including the National Academy of Agricultural Sciences India, the International Society for Biosafety Research, the Department of Environment, Bangladesh, the Ministry of Environment, Forest, and Climate Change, Government of India, and the Department of Biotechnology. I would like to also acknowledge the continued support from USAID for the South Asia Biosafety Program. Once again, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the next 3 days of the conference. And before the break for tea and before I hand the mic back over, I would like to remind everyone about a few housekeeping items as we begin our dialogue on biosafety. The first is, please silence your cell phones. If you want, you can take them out right now while I'm talking and do it, but that is definitely a distraction for our speakers, as well as we are recording the presentation, so we really want those to be silenced. As I mentioned, presentations are being recorded for the first time this year, so unless the presenter has already notified us, the camera will remain on. Please respect any requests from the individuals who do not wish to share their slides or names to be shared online or in print. I also ask that everyone attribute any comments, questions, and ideas to the individual speakers and not to their organizations unless the speaker states otherwise. During the panel discussion, it's really important to use the microphones that will be readily available to ask all of your questions. I recommend speaking slowly and clearly, and to make sure that you introduce yourself so we know where you're from. For those in the poster session, please add your posters today. You'll notice in the hall already that they're already numbered that matches the conference document. Please make sure to keep them up until Wednesday so everyone at the conference has plenty of time to look at them, and also the judges of the poster session have plenty of time to review them. And finally, the South Asia Biosafety Conference is trying to reach a global audience on Twitter. Please join the conversation by using the hashtag SABC2017. Thank you very much.